Hello guys! Let's craft something today. For today's inspo, sea glass.
Today I will use glass etching paste from AliExpress and I will try to make something like this. I found some interesting bottles and we have to clean them first. This might take some time.
So, description says, use warm water to remove stains such as oil, dust and fingerprints on the glass surface, ensuring that the glass surface is dry and clean.
I will put baking paper under the bottles. I don't even really know how thick the layers should be, but we'll try. I think the more interesting the colors of bottles, the better the result will be. So I'm using the large brush and cover everything. Such bottles can be used as vases and used as home design decor. I wanted to create one like this for a long time.
Let it stand for about 5 minutes.
So let's wash our bottles and see the result. It looks like we got it, but I would like a slightly better result. Maybe I should have applied a thicker layer. Leave a comment, has anyone used this paste? I decided to repeat the whole process, but this time keep it longer. After 15 minutes, this is our result. It is good. I will probably use this paste for other projects. It is possible to get such bottles by coating them with a special sea glass spray, but I wanted to try this paste. So guys, what do you think about glass etching? If anyone is interested in this product, I will leave a link in the description. This is what they look like. They still need to dry, but I like the result. So guys, thank you all for watching, hit the like button, subscribe and see you in my next videos. Have a wonderful day, see you!